The question is to factor the polynomial. First question, we have 8a cubed plus 1. Okay, if we look at each term of this polynomial, we don't have any common factors, right? But we see that a can be written as 2 cubed, and 1 also can be written as 1 cubed, right? So this binomial can be written as 2a cubed plus 1 cubed, correct? So we can use this formula right here. A cubed plus b cubed can be factored as a plus b times a squared. If this is plus right here, we have a minus here. A times b goes in the middle, ab, plus this b squared, right? So this expression is equal to 2a plus 1 times 2a squared. 2a squared minus 2a times 1, which is 2a plus 1 squared, right? So that is equal to 2a plus 1 times, what's a 2a squared? That's 4a squared, right? Minus 2a plus 1 squared is just 1, right? Next question, we have 3a cubed plus 81b cubed. The common factor of 3 and 81 is 3, right? Because 81 is 3 times 27. So this is equal to 3 times a cubed plus 27b cubed, right? 27 right here is also 3 cubed. So this expression can be written as 3 times a cubed plus 3 cubed b cubed. So 3b cubed, right? Again, using this formula right here, a cubed plus b cubed, that is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. This expression can be factored as 3 times a plus 3b times a squared minus a times 3b plus 3b squared. So if we rewrite this expression, that's going to be a squared minus 3ab here, 9b squared here, right?